This is the wireless microphone of choice for the biggest YouTube tech reviewer there is, and for good reason. So I decided I'd take the plunge, give it a go, and see what it's like. So without further ado, let's unbox it, see what you get, and give it a road test. So when I saw Marques Brownlee using this, I looked at the price and I thought, wow, that's a lot cheaper than I thought it was. When you see someone who makes videos as professional as he does, I thought, wow, that price is really good. So I took the plunge and here we are. And I'm going to do a full unboxing. I'm going to do a full setup and I'm going to take it out and about and you'll see and hear, most importantly, hear the sound quality. At the moment, I'm using my standard Deity mic above my camera here, but we'll set this up and then we'll start using this mic and you'll see how good it is. So this is the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. And this model is the USB-C connections, button size, enhanced ENC, hi-fi sound quality. So basically you've got these cool stickers that you can stick on the button if you want. Just want to sort of make your microphone a bit more interesting. And there's some plain white and black ones as well that you can use. But that's sort of a bit of fun, makes it a bit of fun. Then you've got a breakdown of what's actually in the box, which is what we're going to be looking at right now. Quick start guide, some other bits and bobs as ever. Very simple to use and set up, but there you go. This is the actual container here, and this is a wireless charger as well. So it charges all the devices, as you can see there, and you can charge that with USB-C. And you get two microphones of these button-sized microphones. They're really cool design, I think. I love the look of them. And they've got this magnetic attachment. So you attach it to your shirt or whatever using this magnet behind the shirt, etc. And as I say, you get two of these and the transmitter will receive the signal separately of both ones. This is the USB-C version. There is a Lightning version for Apple and then a special version for a SLR camera or DSLR camera as well, which actually I might get because they're quite cheap. And these charge in the box like a pair of earbuds or something like that. But there's more. You've got this carry case as well. And then inside the carry case, you've got the USB-C charging cable here, as you can see. So that will charge the box and charge the receiver. Then you've got this thing for, it's like a necklace. So you can put it around your neck and then put the microphones on that. Or alternatively, there's so much stuff in here. Alternatively, you can use these clips like a lavalier mic and attach it to a collar or a lapel or something using this. Comes with these two little dead cats, I suppose. And that's what you get in the box. Okay, so we're going for the setup here. And according to the battery, they've already been paired here. And the first thing you need to do, open the charging case, remove the insulating film. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of insulating film in here, this little blue thing. So that's all removed. And there's also on the mics on the mic themselves. Peel those bits off there. And the same with this one. And then you'll notice that the little charging points, so it's got little charging points here, and that's how they go into the box to charge them. And you've got a little button on the side there, and then there's an indicator light as well, a blue indicator light. Don't know if you can see it. It tells you how much battery you're on, whether it's paired, I guess. We take this USB-C connection, and then we plug it into the phone, which I'm going to do now. And the phone is over here. I'm still using this mic for now. We haven't swapped yet. That's the receiver X. Take out the TX and the microphone will power on and connect automatically. Apparently this is connected automatically. So what I'm going to do is going to pause and then we'll see whether it's working on this phone here. Okay, according to this camera over here, this is recording now on this. So I'm going to swap now to this mic here. Let's put it on. So to take the magnet off the back and oh, bang, there you go. Make sure the mic is at the top. And there we go. That's how easy the setup. should be working. You should be hearing me loud and clear. I haven't set any of the levels, so if I'm peaking or anything like that, some %. But there we go, just sort of quick setup, how easy it is to set up. We'll explore more and I'll give you my experiences, but that's me straight out of the box, setting it up, and there you go. So hopefully it sounds okay. Let's find out. Okay, so interesting enough, here I am with the mic outside and I've got the little windbreak on. Conveniently, there's a helicopter, you can see it, behind me somewhere. So hopefully you'll see, because I think I've also got the noise cancellation on. So this is to give you an idea of what it sounds like outside with a little wind protector on there, little furry wind protector. One thing about it, that wind protector, is it's a bit fiddly to get it on, but I guess that's a good thing because you don't want it being too loose and just blowing off. On my other lavalier, and one of the reasons I replaced my old lavalier, wired lavalier, it was a traditional lavalier with a little foam thing on the top, and it was actually in this field I was walking along and the thing popped off. I didn't realise, just popped off at the slightest thing. So you want it to be nice and tight, but it was just a bit fiddly putting it on. And when I first tried to do it outside, I'd been walking, so my hands were sweaty and a bit greasy, and it was just, yeah, so I prepped this before I came out. I put the thing on. But anyway, that's just to give you an idea of what it sounds like outside, and hopefully it's pretty good. Okay, so now it's all set up. Let's kind of give you some of the specs of this. As I said, it's really light, this. It's only 9 grams, so it's really versatile to wear. You can just stick it on your t-shirt using the magnetic clip like this. You get necklace, except the fact there are 2 necklaces. Obviously, you've got 2 microphones, 2 necklaces, of course, and you can adapt the length of it, shorten it just by these really little simple drawstrings here at the top and stuff. Really versatile. I'll show you what it's like with it on. Okay, if I take this off, and again, it's a little magnet on here. Again, just fits there. Make sure it's the right way up. The little blue light that indicates it's connected by Bluetooth, or if you've got the noise cancellation on, it's a little green light there is at the top. So that's it, wearing it as a microphone. As I said, you can adjust the necklace very simply at the back. So either draw it up a bit closer if that's how you want to wear it, or if you've got a big head like mine and you have trouble getting it over the top of the head. So there you are, that's wearing it with the necklace. What I really like about it is it's so quick to get up and running. With my old wired one, you know, I had to thread the wire underneath. I can move this as well because the magnet underneath the t-shirt will move with it, just to get it just right how I like it. And as I said, it's so unobtrusive, really cool, really light. It doesn't pull on the clothes. As I say, at 9 grams, hardly know it's there. It's just amazing how much technology they sort of packed into this thing. In terms of high fidelity sound, you're getting 48 kilohertz at 24-bit recording. That's what you're getting. So really good quality. Definitely good enough for vlogging and YouTube and stuff like that, 100%. Now, in terms of battery life, they reckon you get about 40 hours of battery life out of it. I've not tested it for that long, but believe me, every time you put it back into this little box, it charges it, keep the box charged, and you're good to go, really. If you're using 2 microphones at the same time, then that may drain the receiver a bit more, but still plenty of hours there of filming. It's never going to be really an issue, I think, unless you're sort of really caning it and doing non-stop filming for, like, you know, a day and a half. As I said, versatility, if you don't want people to think, what's that weird symbol button that you're wearing? Then you've got the little stickers to give it a bit of versatility. Like I said, and I say you can wear it with a necklace, you can wear it with the magnetic clips here, like a lapel. So more like a lavalier mic, where you just clip it onto a shirt lapel or something like that, or a tie, and it works just brilliantly. So that's what I really like about it, is the flexibility, the versatility that you get with being able to wear it in so many different ways. And then in terms of noise cancellation, we'll do one outside so you can see, but all you need to do, press the little button on the side, and then this little button goes green. Now I'm going to lean down over here a bit because my computer's down here. I'm not sure if it's picking up the fan, but it's a hot day, so the fan is going. If I go for a walk or whatever, I'm in the house, so it's a bit pointless. In fact, why don't we just go outside? So there's me walking on my gravel. You can see my gravel here. So you can see kids playing in the garden nearby. birds in the trees, noise cancellation on. So hopefully that's working okay. In terms of distance, again, let's check that out when I'm out in the field. Okay, so we're going to test how far away you can be for this still to work. They say 1,000 feet, but we'll see. I'm going to walk down there. Okay, so here we go. I should never have chosen green because I'm camouflaged in the corn. Hopefully the sound indicator's still going. Yeah, she's saying nothing, but I tested it out, so it should be working. But anyway, there we go. Hopefully you get a good impression of what the sound is like from a distance. That little demonstration has demonstrated, just giving you an example of how far away you can go. Hopefully that test in the field demonstrated how effective that is. And of course, the fact that you have the ability to stop and start the camera by just double clicking the little button on the side is a really cool feature, because it means you can start a record, say 300 meters away, and then walk towards the camera. If that's what you want to do, or potentially a drone on your camera or whatever, or something like that. If there's a way of connecting it to the receiver to your drone, then that would be really cool. As I said, you get 2 full charges with the box. So keep the box charged. If you're out and about and you're not near a charger or anything like that, you know you've got 2 full charges in here with 40 hours battery life. And it takes about less than 1.5 hours to charge up, and you get 10 hours working time. So just to be clear, that's 10 hours working time, 40 hours of battery life thanks to the little charging device there. And then the way it's constructed is it's got this sort of dual anti-interference. You don't get interference from 2.4 wireless, you don't get it from infrared, radio frequencies, RFI kind of signals and stuff like that. And that means you always have nice, pristine quality. It's free from any unwanted sounds, which is really important when you're recording. That's what I like about it. It's such a professional level to me. In terms of YouTube vlogging and stuff like that, you're getting such good audio quality. I mean, there's a reason why Marques Brownlee uses this microphone. I mean, I was surprised at how much it cost when I saw that Marques Brownlee was using it. I saw him use it on a video and I thought, oh gosh, that looks cool. And then a bit of research and I thought, wow, this is really getting rave reviews. It's really popular microphone. And yet it cost me £129 on Amazon, albeit this is the kit for the Android phone with a USB-C connection. But as I said, for an extra 30 or 40 pounds off AliExpress, I can get the receiver for my DSLR camera, my main camera, which I'm definitely going to do, because at the moment I'm using my Android to record this review. And normally I'd be using my kind of proper DSLR camera for YouTube reviews and stuff like that. But this gives me the flexibility. So that's really, really cool. And that's what I like about it. It's really adaptable to whatever device you're using. And if you do use the camera version receiver, which I said is on AliExpress for about 30 to 40 quid, not much at all, then you can record in mono and stereo and switch between them using the little button on the side. That facility is not available with the USB-C or the Lightning connection versions that you get for your phones. But there you go. There's a good reason why someone like Marques Brownlee uses this. It's because it's good enough for him. It's professional quality enough for someone who's making some of the best tech YouTubers in the industry is using this microphone. And you can use this microphone because it's not astronomically priced. As I said, it only cost me £129 on Amazon. So well worth the investment if you're into vlogging and you want a really quick, easy, professional sounding microphone, and you don't want to use one of those microphones that sort of sticks on the end of your camera or whatever, or you're moving about a lot, or you've got 2 people, so you want to use the other one as well, then really, really cool. All of that, as I said, all of that for £129, which I think is absolutely bargain considering the quality, the design detail, the audio quality, the features, all the extra bits that you get with it, you know, the dead cat, the necklaces, the clips, all of that, the nicely designed case that comes with it. Yeah, highly recommend it. I'm really impressed with it. I'm so glad I bought it. As I said, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I bought this off my own money because I've read good things about it and I've not been disappointed. Anyway, there you go. Let me know what you think about this in the comments down below and all of that. And if you've liked the video, then please do hit the likes, because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content just like this. And if you're new to my channel, then arigato gozaimasu, please hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I upload videos just like this. Talking videos just like this, why don't you check out these videos here? I think you'll enjoy them. I think you'll enjoy them. Cheers.